Hi, Ken Parks here, the Sometimer at Salem Harley-Davidson. Going to unpackage this new set of CFR mufflers that we just got in. We're going to be try to carry out on in stock. So let's take a look at them. So this is a nice black pair. They're pretty well packaged. Just flip that up so you can see how well they package them and take care about them. We've got the individual cardboards, everything's wrapped in plastic, so they come to us in great shape. Let's take a look at it here. Pull everything off here. We'll just get the end off. The other end off. Center. A good looking set of pipes. If you've not heard these CFRs, they're right up there with the Angels, I think, in sound. So the CFR stands for Kerry Fox Racing, made in Arizona, and they're kind of a one-off type exhaust. They're a small shop that does a wonderful job. They've got billet ends on them, good powder coat, etc. So these are them in a nutshell. My personal opinion is that they sound absolutely the best if you use the True Dual head pipes with them. But either way, they sound wonderful. They've got a good tone to them through the whole entire RPM range.